Do you notice anything strange about these 3 videos? If you didn't notice anything strange, then we did a good job at being Foley artists. Foley artists recreate everyday sound effects to make the sound for videos or movies even better. The word Foley came from the sound effects artist Jack Foley, who started working with Universal Studios in 1914 when movies didn't have any sound yet. Mr. Foley created a lot of sound effect techniques used in making films that people still use today. These 3 video clips didn't have any sound, so we decided to make the sound ourselves using stuff around the house. For our first video of the stream, we will make 2 recordings. One of the wind with the leaves and one of the water. Then we will put the recordings together. I'm going to make the sound of the wind and the leaves. I used tissue, paper, and rubbed it on the table to make the sound. When I crunch it up, it makes the leaves sound. When I rub it on the table, it makes the wind sound. Want to hear it? Here we go. I decided to make the sound of the water. I'm just gonna pour water from my watering can into the pan. Here's how it sounds, mixed together. For our second video of the grass blowing in the wind, we will record the sound of a broom sweeping and the sound of birds. Here's how it sounds, mixed together. For the last video, we will record 3 different sounds: a dog's footsteps, a man's footsteps, and the dog's collar jingling. Here's how it sounds, mixed together. We were so happy with the work we did because we made movie sounds with things we had at home and it sounded real. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe.